Hey, groovy guys and gals, here I am again. Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit from overseas. This comes from Sven in Cologne, Germany. The state or province is NRW. I'll have to look that up so I don't misaddress the package. It's meant for a 68 Mustang, and Sven has requested the modern conversion to add FM, a lot more output power, and the Bluetooth function. So we're going to check everything out, make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's turn it on.
God, Bill.
Okay, now we're going to check
Dr. J,
our
it's a bill that's going to cause a lot of pain on the American consumer.
left-right balance.
This is an attempt
All
by
the way
those
left,
two senators,
right,
politicians in
left,
Washington,
right,
trying to tell small businesses
okay,
how to
center
operate
them.
the credit card system.
Okay,
in
now
this
we also
country.
have a
they tried to do this in 2000.
a virtual front-rear fader. Here we go.
And it didn't work on the debit card.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now all the way front,
And with this,
all the way rear,
on consumer.
front,
We rely on our
rear.
credit card.
Okay,
We
we'll
rely on
center
it for
them,
access
let it
to
time
credit,
out.
for safety, and
Fader set.
Okay,
for
let's make sure the
security.
Bluetooth goes into
And
pairing
for
mode.
millions of Americans, they want
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that? Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and if your radio does not have an original AM-FM switch, the way we switch between AM and FM is by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. If it's left off more than 2 seconds, and it'll stay on the band that you were last listening to. So let's go ahead and move it over to FM, and I have all 5 station presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly.
also how many people use
Okay,
it
I'm
for
going to move to
hotels.
FM. Here we go. Off, on. Now we're on FM.
Al enterarse de que
Yep, that one drifted a bit.
Can actually be one of the most powerful wealth accumulated vehicles on the market.
Look at
si podemos
they do is follow.
And that one drifted a little bit too.
Rash. Mouth-watering yet?
You owe the IRS today, you'll owe even more tomorrow. And it doesn't... The good news is getting right can start with one phone call to Optima Tax Relief, America's #1 tax relief firm. Optima's tax professionals
We're ready to speak. IUL's
IRS program.
3.
All you
It can take a little practice to get a...
Check the box if you're cool with us giving your
old
data
tuner.
to the government.
Can take
whether
a few
it's the
tries to
FBI
get all
or
the stations
NSA without a
seated
warrant.
properly.
creo que la
Bam!
Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
A great song is a great song. And
To see if you
great songs to go
There
around.
we go.
The variety
Okay,
station.
let's try the 8-track.
You don't know her like I do. Love, oh dear, you have made my life. Your baby left town. It's where our friendship ended. In your my heart goes bitter. Flown the coop, knocked the blue. She's the one you smile.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Let's check the dial light. You probably can't see it, but I can. Yep, nice, nice soft bluish green glow. So she's ready to go back to the customer. And this is my last video for the day. Nope, there's one more. Got one from the Czech Republic to demonstrate. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, or you can just call me at 928-533-9666. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Sven, for your business all the way from Cologne, Germany. And we'll see you guys next time.